DKC Group of Companies is an international leader in the manufacture of electrical equipment, more than 25 factories in 7 countries. Hey Andy. It's okay? Be careful, okay? You need to do it faster.
We produce a wide range of products. Everything from cable laying, turnkey solutions for energy distribution systems, automation and IT.
We use only laboratory-tested, high-quality raw materials: plastic, steel, and aluminum.
Our products are used everywhere. In transport infrastructure, in the oil and gas industry and in energy, in municipal constructions and in industrial enterprises, etc.
86,000 square meters of storage in our facilities greatly simplify the logistics. This allows us to deliver products to all countries and even the most remote corners of the world.
The key to success is modern equipment, a high level of economic performance. We provide all clients with the most modern solutions of the highest level. We conduct training seminars, technical consultations, and develop special programs for our clients.
DKC Group of Companies keeps pace with the times, and every year it invests in new technologies and builds new production and warehouse complexes. We'll listen to our customers and offer them solutions